This video depicts real police activity and may be difficult for some viewers to watch. Los Angeles, a late-night eatery erupts in chaos. A frantic 911 call reports an armed man at the counter, threatening staff and demanding all the cash.
The suspect is armed with a handgun, male, black, wearing a green shirt, pink pants, and a hat.
Around 3:30 a.m. in mid-city Los Angeles, near the intersection of Western Avenue and Venice Boulevard, LAPD officers responded to the scene of a robbery in progress. But this wasn't any ordinary suspect. He was unusually dressed, especially as far as dangerous armed robbers go. But things were about to get even more intense. When the employees hesitated, he snapped. After arguing with staff at the counter and demanding money from the back, the suspect escalates and flashes a knife. The workers tried to reason with him, but were forced to retreat into the kitchen. Surveillance shows one grabbing what appears to be pepper spray, while the other one grabs a broom. When words failed, things quickly turned physical. Looking closely, trained eyes might notice this handgun appears more like a replica, but in real time, for victims being threatened, it's impossible to take that chance. They had to treat it as real. In the tight space of the kitchen, the employees fought back, catching the suspect off guard. Frustrated, he hurled a tray of hot cinnamon buns at them, then striking at them with his handgun, as the two workers continued resisting in a chaotic struggle.
Aquí llegó alguien con pistola queriendo asaltar a los... Aquí en la Western y 18.
La West.
Y 18, Western y 18.
Señor, ¿todavía están ahí ahorita?
Aquí está el señor con la pistola. Y yo me salí para afuera para pedir auxilio.
Ok, dame un momento, ok? Déjame hablar con la patrulla.
Unit 211 in progress, Western and 18th Street. Stand by for further. Code 3 incident 444. Olympic units, additionally at 211 in progress, Western and 18th Street. The suspect inside the armed with a handgun, male, black, wearing a green shirt, pink pants, and a hat. Code 3 incident 444. Additional incident 444.
As he fled, a patron even hurled a chair to stop him. But he pushed through the chaos, only to be tracked down by LAPD minutes later.
Get back. Sir, get back, get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Which way you ran? Hey! He's over here. Hey, what's the back? Where is he? Get out! Yeah. ¿Dónde se fue? ¿Estás bien? Hey, Airship, I think he ran into the parking lot of the U-Haul.
On the north side of this building, in between.
Okay, right here. Hey, hey, hey! Get up back! Get back! Hey! He got him! Hey! He's right here! Drop the gun! Okay, I see him. Roger, I got the suspect right here in between the building. He's wearing a green shirt, black pants. Get over here!
Two officers closed in on the suspect as he moved along the side of an apartment complex.
He's wearing a green shirt, black pants. Get over here! Hey! Get out of here! Hey! Get over here! Get over here! Hey, hey, move, move! here. You're gonna get shot. Hey, wait! I got suspect right.
Despite repeated commands to stop, he continued down a narrow alleyway until reaching a fence.
It's coming towards you. Hey! Get on the ground, dude. Hey.
At that point, he turned and pointed a weapon toward the officers.
Get down! Get down! Officer needs help! Shot fired!
An officer-involved shooting occurred. A single round was fired. The suspect was not struck, but he dropped the gun and looked like he would give up.
Get down! Officer needs help! Put it down! Get down! Get down! Officer needs help! Shots fired! Get down! No! Hey! Get down, man! Watch out! Crossfire! Yeah.
But then gave it one last effort and climbed the fence to escape. On the other side, additional officers were already arriving. They confronted him with commands to surrender, and when he refused, a taser was deployed.
Come here! He doesn't have anything in his hand.
Let me see!
Get down! Get down! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You're gonna get tased again! Don't move! You're gonna get tased again! Do not move! Get your hands behind your back!
He shot me! I'm shot!
No, you're not.
Shot fired! He shot me!
Hold the frequency, code forward.
The suspect was taken into custody without any further incident. When LAPD finally caught up with him, it was confirmed. The gun was an airsoft replica, but in the moment, it looked real enough to turn a robbery into chaos. The Los Angeles County District Attorney has since filed charges, including robbery and assault with a deadly weapon. What started as a strange and reckless threat inside a little restaurant ended with another reminder. Officers never know what they'll face or how quickly a situation will escalate. If you found this video informative, subscribe for more real-world incidents and stay updated on how law enforcement handles high-stakes encounters.